Hi there, students. Vacuous, an adjective, and vacuously, its corresponding adverb. If something or somebody, particularly somebody, is stupid, literally empty-headed, lacking intelligence, that is vacuous. The student made some vacuous comments, lacking thought, lacking content, not having anything meaningful, without substance, vapid, inane. So the gutter press is vacuous. They have lots of words, but there's nothing meaningful within the pages. Vacuous can also mean without expression, vacant. He looked at me vacuously. A vacuous gaze. So maybe a vacuous mind believes everything that authority tells it to believe. Think about the vacuous comments made by a chat show host. Or maybe the vacuous tourists who go to a wonderful third world country and stay in a beach resort hotel where everything is exactly like it is in the West, and they don't see the real country and its people. He had obviously taken drugs and there was a vacuous grin on his face. Okay, so vacuous, mindless, without thought, empty, without anything of substance, and that is vacuous. Nothing real to say, nothing of substance. So your next question, what about the formality of this? Well, I think I'd probably give this 7.5 in formality. It's quite formal, it sounds literary, and it sounds posh. So it's a good descriptive word for an essay. Don't use it in an informal conversation. Use something like stupid, empty, mindless, lacking content, something like that. And the origin of vacuous is easy. It's from Latin, vacuous, meaning empty, yeah? As in vacuum, a vacuum cleaner, something like that. Okay, so vacuous, lacking thought, lacking real content. There's no meat to it. Stupid, unthinking, yeah? So a vacuous mob started throwing stones at a group of immigrants, yeah, without substance. So there you go. I hope this video has not been too vacuous. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vacuous.